His body, baby, oh.
Baby, just me and you. Fulfill the greater no.
Thank you for coming by, everyone. So first I'm going to use 4 cans of 14-ounce pink salmon. And I'm making sure I clean all the skin and bones out of it that I need out of it.
Oh Lord of His mercy, yeah. I say, I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. You a murder me, eh, 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 eh. You a murder me, eh, 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 eh. You a murder, 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 murder me. You a murder, 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 murder me. She says she want murder. I'm the guy you never heard of. So back it up and put it on a brother. Baby girl, I know you want murder. Your face, your eyes, looking very nice. The way you whine, I want you to be mine. So make you turn it up and put it on me. Girl, make you follow me and be my only. So make you go down, yeah. Oh Lord, make you slow down, yeah. Oh Lord, so make you go down, yeah. Hey, make you slow down, yeah. Oh Lord of His mercy. Hey. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. You a murder me, eh, 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 eh. You a murder me, eh, 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 eh. You a murder, 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 murder me. You a murder, 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 murder me. So make you give them, girl. So make you show them that you got it. The way that you wind that booty on me, you make me wanna sign that booty for me. I'll do you anywhere when you turn me on. You looking at me, girl, me say carry on. Say girl, I really like the way that you carry your body. Say girl, you can stand by me anywhere all day, girl. You're a naughty, naughty girl. You're a naughty, naughty girl. Oh I say I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. You a murder me, eh, 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 eh. You a murder me, eh, 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 eh. You a murder, 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 murder me. You a murder, 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 murder me.
Right here, I am adding about another 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs because I want a drier consistency than what it was.
Oh Lord of His mercy, she a murder me. She did murder me.
After blending, just grab a handful of the mixture and form it into a ball and then flatten it into a patty of your desired size. I'm using parchment paper just to lay the patties on so they won't stick to anything else.
His body, baby, oh, Vicky's bad man, I see. Bulaka.
Let the pan get nice and hot, and the way you can see that is by looking at these little beads of water evaporating. Then you take about 4 tablespoons of vegetable oil or olive oil. I'm using vegetable oil today. And you let that get really hot. The way you could tell that it's really hot without using a thermometer is taking a little drop of water and seeing if it sizzles.
I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. You a murder me, eh, eh, eh.